Come here, we have tasks to discuss. We've pretty much finished everything regarding communication channels with students. Let's talk about that a bit. It's the last thing, and there's nothing else left. Secondly, I've sent you the recording. And thirdly, the follow-up and the grading center is tomorrow. First, I explained it, and now I will mention the fourth point. Let's see together how the teacher can manage a dialogue between themselves and the students. Here, discussion forums exist for courses. Discussion forums enable two-way communication. The instructor posts, students respond. This creates a connection. Course announcements are one way. The instructor posts, the student reads. Students can't express feelings. It's a one-way connection. Unlike forums, I manage communication by providing links. Unlike scheduled news, the professor publishes news that the student reads without responding, indicating one-way communication. The student cannot express emotions like anger or happiness, and the professor cannot reply. The instructor sends messages and the student reads them, unlike discussion forums, where communication management with students is possible through links. I can assist by creating discussion forums as the course instructor, serving as a communication channel for answering questions anytime. Additionally, course announcements allow me to update students with news. Course messages also provide a channel for students to message instructors, and instructors can message all or some students as needed. But what if a student doesn't enter the course? I can assist with that. As the course instructor, I can create discussion forums for communication between instructors and students, answering questions anytime. Through course announcements, I can provide updates. Course messages allow students to send messages to instructors and vice versa within the course. If a student never accesses the course, there's an email tool, often in new courses, or you can add it. The email tool allows users to send messages, and it's available at the bottom. Through course announcements, I can create updates for them. There's also another thing with course messages. Here I have a communication channel between students and instructors, where students can send messages within the course to the instructors, and the instructor can send a message to all students or some students as needed within the course. But what if a student never accesses the course? What if a student never accesses the course? I have an additional tool that is often added to new courses, but you can add it yourself, which is the email tool. If you take its name, the email tool, you can select it from here. We usually find it in new courses, and you have a tool called what? The email tool. Just like that, you can say it's available for users to send, and it will be placed at the bottom for you. And of course, in the recording, you'll find the topic easy. And this is a communication channel with course messages. So you have course messages and email here. They are both available. These are tools. These are tools, tool link. You come here, create a tool link, and choose what you want. So you can send an email to all students at their university email addresses, and students can also interact with you and send emails back. In other words, just click on the email option like this. I can start by sending messages to all users or specific groups, whether it's to teachers, students, or monitors, depending on the permissions available. If I want to send a message to the teacher, I can do that. I can send to all students, to all users, or just to specific groups. Here, I have the option to send a message to all users, and I can say something like, "Hi, hello." I'll send a message like this. As soon as you write the message, just hit send, and it will reach everyone via email. The instructor can manage communication channels between themselves and their students through look here, course announcements, discussions, and virtual classrooms during the virtual class, right? Through messages, email, and other platforms like WhatsApp, I can take a small print screen and send you a picture here via WhatsApp. I'll resize it so I can work with this image, all right? And then I'll say done and resize it even more, such as for example, and so on. Here I'll say done and highlight in red that I have email and course messages, including a comprehensive array of various types of virtual classrooms, a multitude of discussion forums, and extensive course announcements. So the instructor can effectively and efficiently manage a comprehensive variety of tasks. channels for communication and interaction with his students through what? Duplicate news. And through what else? Discussion forums. And through what else? Virtual classes. And through what else? Messages. These various channels provide multiple opportunities for different types of interaction and communication. The decision, and thus you have achieved the criteria, and through what else? The email. Add to them through here the professor's information. You put a phone number for WhatsApp, and the location of your office in case of necessity. Okay, there is no problem at all. Things are going really well for us. There are no problems at all. Here we have communication channels that the instructor can use to manage everything effectively. So things are easy and everything is looking good. You can achieve, our doctor, you can achieve the parts we've been discussing, which are the instructor's tasks. First, we've completed that. Second, I sent you the video. Third, we have the course tomorrow. Fourth, we have communication channels. We also have the help guides available for students, which include videos on the e-learning platform where students can engage with educational lessons and he can watch it. Then there is also student support available. We can provide assistance to help them learn how to work. So I consider that I've completed the instructor's tasks. And what exactly is required from you in this matter? Of course, you complete this talk with yesterday's course and tomorrow's course. The three most important courses, 234, 234. You must take them in order. So if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Okay? If there are no questions, we can wrap up for today and you'll follow along with us on the WhatsApp group. God willing, Dr. Firas, do you have any questions I can assist you with? Any questions we can answer? If there are no questions, just keep following the WhatsApp group and the video. Welcome, dear doctor. I hope you can attend the training tomorrow, which is about reports. It's very important that you follow this part so that, God willing, you can keep track of everything and everything goes smoothly for you. Thank you very much. And peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings.